Alright, kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman here. I've got my GoPro today, so you may or may not hear me. Okay. What I'm doing today is I'm just going to show you my trail running track. This is the trail I practice on. I don't always run up the hill, but I do train up elevation. So if you don't hear me, as I said, it's because I'm using my GoPro. And I've got the waterproof housing, so it blocks up the microphone. So apologies for that. Stealth campsite. Mind you, it's backcountry, so backcountry rules apply. I'm not crazy big about that. Yeah, I like to be handy as go handy all the time. Just handy. Might have a smoke, yeah, but no stopping. Just handy, go handy, and that's about it. Handy. That's all I can say. Handy. Anyway, yeah, that's what I thought I'd show you guys. So this is just a little glimpse at what I run through at night. So it's technical. As I said, apologies for the lighting. It's dark. It's evening up here, going into evening. So I've got to actually get going soon. But yeah, that's what I run through in the dark, with chasing possums and that. Good fun, but yeah, these are real handy. As I said, I think they're used as orienteering markers as well because they're bright fluorescent orange and they're like boundary markers, they're peg markers. You also got these reflective strips. This one's not reflective, but you've got these reflective strip lights things here. Good for night orienteering. So it's really good track to train on. Apologies if you can't see me, but there is, as I said, there's going to be a lot of changes here on the channel. I'm still doing bushcraft, so I'm going to still do my native plant ID, and got a couple knives to review and some axes and that. I still love bushcraft, but bushcraft really was just a door, was an awakening for me to what I interpret it as bushcraft. It's not just wilderness living, it's recreation too. It's road gaming, orienteering, scrambling, rock climbing, archery. To me, there's the whole epitome of trying to be who I would like to be, and that is my great-great-grandfather, a master bushman. Now, I want to be not a master because, well, a true master is dead, isn't he? There's no real living masters. just still a student, but I want to get to that level. To be not perfect, but to be knowledgeable and at least adept at all outdoor skills that I can. So yeah, this year I might get into orienteering or road gaining. For those folks who don't know what road gaining is, road gaining is like a solo, more rough version of orienteering. Okay, in New Zealand it's done on tramping tracks like this. Also like the true tramping track I showed you down here. So some of it's multi-day like adventure racing. There is a possibility maybe when I'm 31 to do coast to coast, or I've been thinking about it. I know it's not Trail Running Tales updates related, but I'm thinking about doing a God Zone adventure racing, or possibly kayaking around New Zealand. Yeah, but as I said, Te Araroa Trail and Bushcraft together just really awoken something in me, and it feels like I'm chasing this light. Okay, it's a light I can probably never quite reach, but I love the chase. This might be hard to understand for some folks, but you know, as I said, Te Araroa Trail just, it didn't change my life, it enhanced it greatly. So pretty much from now on, as I said, apologies, I'm just using my headlamp as lighting, but from now on pretty much I will be doing a lot of outdoor rec stuff, crazy stuff, besides from bushcraft. Still doing the bushcraft stuff, but yeah, a lot of crazy stuff. But as I said, folks, I've got to head off now. 20 meters ago. That's the end of this graded tramping track. Then it goes to mud. Okay, it's actually really nice up here. Right? Really beautiful. It's calm. But I will be back here one time. Might even stay right here. You can fit my bivy bag there. Boom. But yeah, I'm gonna go now, folks. It's raining, so I don't really care. But yeah, it's raining. It will take me another about 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to get back down to the bottom. And then, as I said, I've got a 1.7k walk to the main road. Then I've got another 5 to 6k walk home. I don't use my car. I can drive. I just choose not to drive. How I see it is I'm going to keep walking and running everywhere, or use public transport until my legs bugger up, which, jar willing, will never happen. So anyway, folks, apologies for the lighting. Ka kite anō, blessed trails. And I will hopefully see you in the Trail Run Tales update video. See you later.